Hello, Mr. Cheng Hee and Miss Noma. Today I'm going to present a speech topic about two urban parks, which one of them are local and international. The local one is KLCC Park, located in Malaysia, and the international one is Hyde Park, located in Toronto, Canada. What I've compared is about the feature and activity of the parks. That's my poster. Yeah. So first I'm going to talk about the local one, KLCC Park. KLCC Park is located at Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. It is near to Twin Tower Shopping Centre. It can attract a lot of teenagers today. The whole area size is about 20 hectares and it created when year 1980. They have a lot of trees and 66 species of plants. The last is have 43 meters elevated bridge to KL Central for waiting LRT to somewhere else. It's much comfortable. Yep. So what are the features? There are 4 places that can attract more people to visit. The first is Lex Symphony. It's made up by people without the natural size about the 10,000 square meter water fountain, and the fountain can up to height 42 meters every time. Secondly is children playground. This is located at the west side of park, and trees around the area is cool enough even the heat day. It attracts a lot of kids. Thirdly is jogging track. It's about 1.3 km long. It's quite long and it's made of special rubber material for comfort and safety. It's a good choice for the people who love to exercise. The lastly is ornamental water. It's various waterfall fountains, reflecting pools and scattered around the park. Yeah. The next is about the features of the Hyde Park. So obviously the features of Hyde Park compared with the KLCC Park is much more than the KLCC Park. Yep. Then what I compare with the KLCC Park with Hyde Park is can compare the playgrounds, playgrounds, because the both part have playgrounds, but the Hyde Park playgrounds is bigger than the KLCC Park playgrounds. It look like adventure playgrounds, you see. Yeah. It also have a wedding pools beside the playgrounds, and also can picnic areas there. Yeah. So what are features of the Hyde Park? It's a Hyde Park Zoo. It include domestic and exotic animal, example bison, peacocks, sheep, and etc. And then the next is children garden. It's children designed like home-based design. Today camp and also can make events. Yeah. The other one is Gardenia Pond. Gardenia Pond is quite like the KLCC Park Lake Symphony. Yeah. But the Gardenia Pond is natural views. It's about 14.2 hectares bigger. Yeah. And the next is Tracker Trains. It can pick up other passengers along the way, stimulates central rides whatever through the park. Yep. And lastly is the Coburn Lounge and Hillside Garden. It can attract more people to visit there. Yep. So the lastly is activities. What I compare the activities is in KLCC Park is about the jogging track. Can go jogging, watch the Lex Symphony, sit at the lakeside cafe and drink a coffee, and also visit the masjid. Yeah, and also the bird watch in there. Yeah, it's quite relaxed here. And the next one is the activity in the Hyde Park. It's also obviously is more than the KLCC Park. Yeah, it's 7 activities you can do at there. Yeah, it's about the Hyde Park pools. It's quite big and a big sport field to give us to play balls, everything. Yeah, and the Gardenia Cafe is can 300 seats restaurant include there. Yeah, and also the trackless trains is about 4.5 pound for person adult. Yeah, and then if children is about $3.5. So these are my, and sometimes the Hyde Parks, if when winters have winter activities, and artificial ice rink is operated to the north of Poole for skating and ice hockey. Yeah, these are the Hyde Park features. Yeah. Okay.